Hello students, welcome to Swapna physics classes. In this lecture I am going to explain you one more important short answer question for your TS intermediate first year IPE examination. And the question is, a force 2I plus j minus k newtons acts on a body which is initially at rest. At the end of 20 seconds, the velocity of the body is 4I plus 2j minus 2k meters per second. What is the mass of the body? Okay, first of all, we will write out the data, given data. What is the given data? Given that the force is 2I plus j minus k Newton acts on a body which is initially at rest. That means the initial velocity of the body. Initial velocity of the body is equals to 0, which is denoted with u. Okay, and at the end of 20 seconds, after the time 20 seconds, what happened? The velocity of the body is 4I plus 2j minus 2k meters per second. This will be the final velocity. Final velocity of the body is, final velocity which is denoted with v, is 4I plus 2j minus 2k meters per second. We have to find out the mass of the body. Mass of the body, m. We have to find out this. This is the given data. And what will be the required formula? The required formula is force F is equal to mass into acceleration from Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law? Force F equal to mass into acceleration. Right? Why I have taken this formula? Why? Because we have force and velocity. Change in velocity with respect to time is nothing but acceleration. Okay, we have to find out this mass. Force F is equal to mass into change in velocity, that is v minus u by time t. What is acceleration? Acceleration A is equal to change in velocity by time taken. Right? Now we have to substitute the value of v and f and u, initial velocity, and the time taken is 20 seconds. We have to substitute the data in this equation. For that purpose, we have to find out the magnitude of the force and the velocity initially. Okay, what is the magnitude of the force? As a force is a vector, I am going to find out the magnitude of the force, which is equal to square root of 2 square is 4 plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is nothing but root 4 plus 1 is 6. Magnitude of the force is root 6. And what is the magnitude of the velocity? Velocity is a vector, right? Magnitude of velocity is square root of 4 square is nothing but 16 plus 2 square is nothing but 4 plus 2 square is 4. Okay, this will be square root of 24. What is square root of 24? Square root of 24 is 6 4 ja 24, right? 6 4 ja 24. This will be equal to 2 root 6. Okay, magnitude of velocity is 2 root 6. Now using this equation, I am going to find out the mass of the body. What is the force we have? Magnitude of force is root 6, which is equal to mass into, well, what is final velocity we have? 2 root 6 minus what is initial velocity we have? 0 by the time is 20 seconds. 20. Okay, now root 6 equals to mass into 2 root 6 by 20, 210, 202, 210, 20, and root 6 get cancelled. Therefore, we left with mass is equal to 10. 10 what grams or kgs? Kgs. Why? Because we had taken the SI units. The mass is equal to 10 kgs. Okay. And here I will end our lecture. Please subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button and share with maximum number of people possible. Okay. Bye.